Hello, my beautiful people. I'm Dwayne Newberry with EXP. Come on in. I'm going to show you 1994 Corsica way. And this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus an office. It's got automatic blinds. It's got open doors. It's got a California room. It's gorgeous. Come on in and take a look. What are you guys doing out here? I'm out here relaxing, having all the amenities. I'm waiting for my cocktail right now. Just a secret, it's a milkshake. And I'm just gonna sit here and chill. I want you guys to get back in there and look at the rest of that house. Oh, hey, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the house. It's beautiful. I know you guys loved it. And I'm just waiting for the screen to go down. It's a little hot in here, so I'm waiting for that to come down so close in the California room. Anyways, if you would like a private tour, I'd be happy to show it to you. My name is Dwayne Newberry with EXP, and my phone number is 925-890-3949. And thank you for watching.